First thing on this project pan was this lippy. I'm so out of place. So aggravated right now. Number one was Trick or Treat. So I picked out a treat. And this is half caked lippy in low key. I've used this 14 times this month and used this 67 times altogether in 6 months. So that's pretty good. Next was number 2, Halloween from a Different Culture. So we have Take Me Back to Brazil. This palette here. I've used this 3 times this month. So 14 times all together. And this is what this palette looks like. So I'm pretty happy about that one. And my lippy. Okay, next is number 3, Halloween Party Time. So number 3 is A Dose of Colors. This is in Block Party Teal Me More. 0 times, but I've used this 10 times altogether, so that's not bad for 6 months. Love the color, beautiful. Need to start using it a little bit more. Next is number 4, Vampires, Zombies, and the Undead. Okay. So we have the Recently Deceased palette from Hot Topic, and this is what this one looks like. I have used this 0 times this month, but I've used this 9 times altogether, so that's not bad at all. Okay, we have A Visit to the Pumpkin Patch. So of course we had the Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette. I've used this once this month, so altogether was 12. And that's what that palette looks like. Very beautiful. Next is number 6, A Villain. Easy Misunderstood palette from ColourPop. And we have this beautiful gem right here. So this one was once, 9 total. Not bad, not bad. So we have number 7, From the Kitchen. We have the Cake palette, 2 times this month, so 10 times altogether. And that's what that looks like. Very beautiful. My cake palette from Glamlight. I love it. Number 8 was Black Cats, Bats, and Spiders. So we have a black cat from the Sailor Moon ColourPop. I've used this 22 times this month, so 99 times altogether, and no dent at all. Because I just stamp it twice or 3 times, and that's enough pigmentation for my very light skin. So I just needed a little bit of this right there. That blush is very nice, and this is From the Moon. This is what it's called. So pretty nice. Number 9, Fur Babies Costumes. So we have this Winky Lux Mermaid Kitten palette, and this is what this looks like. I have used this 3 times, so 11 times altogether. Love it. So the next one is Full Moons and Werewolves. So that's number 10. So that's a Super Shock Shadow from ColourPop. I've used it 0 times this month, but 6 times altogether. So that's what that looks like. And this is in Moonwalk. My nose itches. Okay. Next is The Nightmare Before Christmas. So I got A Nightmare Before Christmas, A Wonderful Nightmare. That's what this looks like. I've used this twice, so 10 times altogether. Not bad, not bad. We have masks. So I got Take Me Back to Brazil Rio edition 2 times, so 10 times altogether. Pretty good. And the last one is prompt number 13, Something Scary. So I Heart Revolution, Curses and Hexes, and that's what that looks like. I've used this once this month, so 9 times altogether. And that is the final update of this project pan. I think I did pretty decent. I don't think the best. I didn't hit pan or anything, but I got some decent usage for 6 months. That is like a long time. But I don't think I could have done better. I think that is like pretty good. I had my set goals to use 5 to 10 times on products, and I did pretty well, I think. So yeah, I have like a little sheet here, cheat sheet, a little notebook. But yeah, I really did enjoy this. I am so ready for next year's project pan of Hollow Out for Halloween. So I'm excited. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.